kids, we got a paper. We read the book Wishing Leaf. We folded the paper in half. Let's number the pages. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to choose our animals we want to draw from this book, but we're going to write the name. Let's write the T-H-E, the wishing, W-I-S-H-I-N-G, leaf, L-E-A-F, the wishing leaf. And Jace had a request that the first drawing maybe could be the tree with the wishing leaf like this. So first we're gonna draw a trunk, 2 lines from the bottom. Then we're gonna start drawing the branches. And each branch, you can start kind of shading it in. It gets its first thick on the bottom, and then it gets thinner. And at the end of the branches, there is new branches growing from it. And a new branch from that one. And another branch. And just lots of different branches coming off of the tree that are skinnier. Okay? Let's put another big branch here. First the tree is thick and then it gets skinnier and skinnier to the top. Every time it splits, it's like a U. It's like making letter Y all over. Letter Y, right? And another letter Y and letter Y. And you can keep shading. Sometimes it's like making letter V. And the base of the tree branches, it's like letter U. And sometimes the branches even overlap. That means one branch comes in front of the other branch. I am going to do holes in the tree where animals can live and hide, just like in our new book we're going to start reading. It's called The Hardwood Hotel. And there is lots of animals living inside of the tree because it's a hotel. There's a mouse named Mona in that story. And we're going to start reading that in Literacy Week. Next week, it's called One Book, One School. And there's gonna be speakers coming to our school. And speakers are gonna be visitors that are gonna come and read the first chapter to you of the book. So I didn't want to start reading that book for you today because it's a surprise. You're gonna love the first chapter, and I don't want to ruin it by reading it early. So I've read this wishingly for you instead. But the same animal live in our story. There's a little hedgehog. I'm gonna get a pencil and I'm gonna draw my hedgehog living right here inside of my tree. And it's gonna be like a little oval. And I'm gonna give him a little nose like a little V with a little bottom on like little dot at the end. And I'm gonna give him eyes. He's looking up because there's gonna be this leaf like we saw in the story. And everybody is waiting for the leaf to fall to make their wish. And what is the hedgehog missing? All the pricklies, right? All his needles, spine needles. So you gotta put lots of lines because hedgehogs have lots of pine needles. Like pine needles, they're so prickly, but they're just hedgehog needles to protect the hedgehog from being eaten by some predators in the forest.
But they need doors to hide.
Okay. So we've got a little hedgehog living there. Let's see what other animals can we choose to draw. We could draw the little bear. I'm gonna draw the little bear standing by the tree. I'm gonna draw his head and ears. They're round like half circles. And I'm gonna give him a green sweater. And I'm gonna draw his legs. And his arms. I'm gonna draw his face, the white part, and a little black nose. And happy eyes. He's looking at the leaf. He's thinking, what am I gonna wish for? A smile. And let's give him a nice orange head, just like in the story. And of course his face is brown. Try your best. That's a good attitude. Then you can show me your picture. I'll pause the video. You can show me, and I'm gonna raise. You can raise your hand, and we can show it to the video kids that are gonna draw with us. If the video kids find our video, maybe they're gonna draw with us. You can choose the other animals you want to draw in here and here and here. It's all up to you. You don't need to draw the same one I'm doing. You can draw a porcupine. A badger, or a raccoon even. Little chipmunk. This little chipmunk. So little chipmunk has little pointy ears, little cute small little head, and a little round face. Little body. He's got a little white line across his back. And he's got a long furry tail. I have a little chipmunk in here. I wonder what animals you have. Here are some examples. We are going to still color them, but these are our drawings. This is by Natalie. You can give her a nice round of applause. Here's Jace. He was not finished yet. Jace, very nice. Oh, look at that cute hedgehog. There's no name, no fame. No name, no fame. I think it's Sierra, maybe. Here's another one that's missing a name, but it's a very nice tree house. Very nice. And these are first grade students, and we are 6 years old and 7 years old, or 6 years old?
Going 7 and 8.
6 years old? Okay. We are going to finish these books next time because it's time to go. So you can go and line up, but we will finish the story next time. And now it's your turn.